Yoshitec Precision Engineering Malaysia Sdn Bhd was incorporated in 2009, with its main plants and headquarters located in Mantin, Negeri Sembilan. It is a leading manufacturer of a wide array of injection molded and 80 kilometers from or 45-minute drive to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Yoshitec is committed to being a major player in the plastic injection molding sector, providing high-quality, reliable, innovative, and total engineering solutions. We are, in effect, a one-stop solution provider, serving our clients with integrity and trustworthiness. Today, we provide a full spectrum of injection molded plastic products for a variety of industries, such as consumer electronics, automotives, food packaging, here in Malaysia and abroad. To date, we have produced over 1,000 products and items. Our completed parts in production by types are blackout application, data storage and server, water filter cover, assembly of automotive related components, food and beverage packaging, air conditioners, plastic fans, and miscellaneous parts. Yoshitec is guided by a fundamental philosophy and its values of yes, perfect, and excellent, where yes is the manifestation of prioritizing our customer specific needs and requirements, even the most minor ones. Perfect constitutes a commitment to providing and upholding first-class quality products, while excellent defines our impeccable and reliable service delivery.